Hello viewers, how are you? We hope you all are fine. So today we will discuss about kitchen storage ideas and designs to help you declutter on a budget, and these best kitchen organization ideas for easy access and clutter-free storage. And a very interesting topic. The affordable kitchen storage solutions are the key to a beautifully organized space even on a tight budget. So kitchens are prone to clutter, from toppling stacks of dishes to overstuffed utensils drawers. Avoid chaos by implementing these affordable kitchen organization ideas. You will be able to money and simplify your kitchen for an easy to navigate space. You will be able to money and simplify your kitchen for an easy to navigate, ensuring very kitchen gadget and Tupperware late has a disconnected home helps cooking, baking and entertaining easier than ever. So different storage space ideas. If you have a bit of extra wall space but not enough room for cabinetry, so add a pair of floating shelves, install hooks and under the bottom shelf for hanging coffee mugs, utensils or hard towels. Style open kitchen shelves with daily essentials like coffee mugs, drinking glasses and plates or bowls for easy access to your most used items. Organize water bottles and keep water bottles within reach and in a view by sticking theme in organized files. So different designs are here, you can get the idea. So we hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please share this video, comment this video and hit the like button, subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.